Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please ensure to like, share, and subscribe. And also click the bell notification in the top right-hand corner to be made aware anytime I upload tutorials or videos to YouTube. All right, let's craft together. Did you know that you can use ChatGPT to color in black and white images that you've created using AI? Let me show you how. So I am in Ideogram and I created these images. And so I'm going to now ask ChatGPT to color these images in for me. So we'll try this one. And I think I selected this one. So let's now go to ChatGPT. So the first thing we're going to do when we get into ChatGPT is we're going to go ahead and click on our plus sign, and that's going to allow us to add our photo. Okay, so we're going to take and let's do this one first. And we're going to say, please color this image in, making her African American and color her head wrap and let's see, head wrap, jewelry, and makeup. I gotta learn how to spell. Okay, somewhere I jumped off board there. So please color this image in, making her African American, and color her head wrap, jewelry, and make up to be color coordinated. And we'll just keep it that simple. And we're gonna go ahead and enter that. So you can see what I typed in there. Please color this image in, making her African American, and color her head wrap, jewelry, and makeup to be color coordinated. Let's see what ChatGPT gives us. So it's analyzing. Now it's generating the image. So this idea works really well if you're into sand painting and you know that you want to color her in, but you're unsure of the color coordination that you want to use. You can have, you can create your image in ideogram like I did, my black and white silhouette image here, and then take it into ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT to color it in for you, and it'll give you some ideas for when you get ready to do your sand painting. So our image is being colored in now. And you can get very descriptive. So there's our image. We're going to go ahead and download it. And so that's our before and that's our after. So let's open up good old Canva. And we'll just do a custom size here. Let's make it really big. And we're going to upload those images. So we did this one. And this is what ChatGPT gave us. Okay, so that's the initial image. And this is the color image from good old ChatGPT. So let's take a look. What do you think? It didn't change anything. It did exactly what we asked it to, which was to color it in. And I think it did an amazing job. So like I said, when you're in the mood to, this will work really, really well if you're into coloring and you're not really sure of the color scheme. You can have ChatGPT color it in for you, and then you can color it yourself, or you can print it out in black and white and then use colored pencils to color her in. Or, like I said, you can do the sand painting. So I'm going to be doing the sand painting with mine. So I was just trying to get some colors going here, but I do have all of those colors in my sand, and so I will be coloring her in. But I wanted to come on and show you that, and let's just make sure we don't have a fluke here. You know how sometimes you can do something in ChatGPT one time and it doesn't work again. We're gonna now take, and I'm just gonna copy that prompt that I just created, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do one more. Now let's do this one. Now she doesn't have any headgear, so we're gonna say, please color this image in, making her African American, and her hair color, we're gonna say hair hair color is reddish brown. Let's see if it can do that for us. Jewelry and makeup to be color coordinated. Jewelry, we're gonna say blouse. Oh, Jesus, I don't know how I always do that. Jewelry, blouse, and makeup to be color coordinated. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and enter that and let's see what we get. So we're gonna go over to Canva and we're gonna go ahead and bring our initial image in, which is this one. And we'll put her here. And then let's go back to ChatGPT. And it's generating here. Let's see what we get. Oh, look at that reddish brown. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and download her. There she is. Look at that, guys. Now let's take a look. Isn't that beautiful? That is, hmm, that is really, really pretty. That is really, really pretty. And just take into consideration, we haven't upscaled her or anything, but that photo is gorgeous. Now, we could have told Ideogram to generate this image for us and all that good stuff, but I'm pretty sure it wouldn't have been that pretty. It did an amazing job. All right, so that is how you can color your images in, your black and white images that you are generating with AI, how you can color them in. Um, Using ChatGPT. So very quick, very easy. And again, like I said, you can use this to do paintings. You can print her out and then paint her based on what you see here, or you can do the sand art where you can upload it into Cricut Design Space and then have Cricut Design Space to do a print, then cut. And then you can take it and put it on double-sided sticker paper. And then you can color her in with sand. Oh my God, the possibilities are endless here, guys. You can even take and sublimate her onto a canvas in the black and white and then paint her in. All right, guys, if you have any questions, please chime in the comments and let me know. You guys know my motto here is each one reach one so that each one can teach one. And you guys have an amazing day.